Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will show you how to get up to 200 free custom business emails using Gmail on CloudFlare. Having a custom business email address can make your communications look more professional. So first, let's start by signing up for a free CloudFlare account if you haven't already. You will need a registered domain name since CloudFlare will manage your DNS records. After signing up, add your domain to Cloudflare. Follow the prompts to update your domain's DNS settings so that Cloudflare can manage them. Next, navigate to the email section in Cloudflare and set up email routing. You can create up to 200 custom email addresses that will forward emails to your existing Gmail account. Once email routing is set up, verify your email addresses and integrate them with Gmail. This will allow you to send and receive emails from your custom addresses directly within Gmail. And that is how you get up to 200 free custom business emails with Gmail on Cloudflare. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.